Welcome to 5 Willow Ave in Danvers. This house was built in 1900 and it's been in the same family since 1961. We enter through a very large eat-in kitchen, plenty of space to add a breakfast bar or an island or renovate it totally. Interesting thing is, there is a big pantry closet right here. At one point, the sellers were going to add a half bath there, but they changed their minds. You've got a door out to a small deck, big enough to put your grill on, and that's the next door neighbor's house. Over here again, kitchen is large, does need updating. It was probably last updated, about 25 years ago, although the vinyl plank flooring was added more recently. The original dining room, now used as kind of a sitting room, has another pantry closet. Hard to see, a little dark. And unfortunately, I'm doing the video because our videographer is not available in this coronavirus time. More storage space. And what we found here is some hardwood flooring. So we're thinking that perhaps at least the living room and dining room and maybe the bedrooms have hardwood under the carpeting. An addition was put on about 5 years ago. You've got the washer dryer conveniently located right here. You've got a bedroom overlooking the backyard, which abuts the rail trail. But you've still got privacy out there, especially in the spring and summer when everything is in bloom. Nice flat yard, perfect for gardening, fire pit, whatever you want to do. Have the kids go out and play, have family over. There's a linen closet and a very nice 3/4 bath. Again, this was all done about 5 to 6 years ago. You've got a really nice tiled shower. And then we go back into, again, what was originally the dining room, now used as a sitting room, and the living room with a nice bay window opens to an enclosed porch, which at the moment has all the family's extra belongings that will be cleaned out prior to closing. Beautiful newel post. We'll head upstairs. Again, the house was built in 1900. Been in this family for 59 years. This used to be the master bedroom. Good sized room. At some point, the sellers decided to take the wall out and turn it into a big sitting room. You could certainly put the wall back up, add a closet, have a good sized bedroom. We've got the second bedroom upstairs. Again, very nice size. Ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet. I might consider taking some of the space from the walk-in closet and enlarging the full bath on this floor. This bathroom probably dates back, pretty close to the 60 years the sellers have been here. A little snug, definitely needs updating, but you've got a full bath on the second floor. Another closet and walk-up attic, which is great for storage. The sellers at one time had a couple of kids sleeping up here. They had a lot of children in this family. There is no heat up here and the ceiling height is low. So it would make a fantastic playroom or just storage. Use the whole attic for storage rather than just the half. And that's it. This house is located on a little street, little dead end, great location close to downtown Danvers, walking to most of the schools. If you have any questions, give me a call, 978-985-8580. Thanks for watching.